Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year, and today is the day my new book launches. And I was so excited because if you ordered the Kindle, you get it today. It's shipping to you today. It's in bookstores today. I checked Amazon. I got a bad review. I have one review, and it's bad. It's like a punch. It's like a stab to the heart. Here's the thing about Amazon reviews. A good Amazon review will carry your book into the sunset, and you'll be able to sell that for years and years. A bad review, and this was bad, it was a 1 star, will sink your ship before it even leaves the dock. Pretty much, it's the nail in the coffin. So I'm a little bit freaking out, but the truth is I can't even blame her. I just learned that if you have an old Kindle version, it will not show up very well. You have to use the Kindle app. So Amazon has taken it off. You can't even get it on Amazon Kindle anymore. You have to get the paperback. If you still have your heart set on an ebook, you can get it through Google Play Books, or you can get it through like iTunes. But the other thing is, I never really explained to her or anyone else how to get your actual downloads either. So, it's been a disaster. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to get your 100 free printables. I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you how to download them, how to edit them, how to use them. And I'm also giving away a brand new iRobot Roomba 980 because I love my Roomba and I want to share it with one of you. It's also kind of a bribe. It's a shameless bribe. It's a total bribe. So stay tuned for more info on how to enter to win the brand new Roomba. So no matter what version you have, whether you got in on the Kindle before they removed it, or you have an ebook or through iTunes, or you have the actual paperback, you only have to go to clutterbug.me or clutterbug.com. They are the same website, and you're going to want to go to the tab that says Books on the top. Then once you're in the Books tab, you want to click Organized Success, and then you will open up this page. My website's a little slow today. There's been a lot of traffic, so it's a little bit slow. It says here, already ordered. Scroll to the bottom and enter your secret code to claim your printables. But before you do that, I want you to claim your bonus. I'm going to give you some bonus pages and enter to win the Roomba. So I don't know who's bought the book, so I need you to fill out this little form here just with your email. Put in the last 4 digits of your ISBN or your order confirmation number, so I can enter you into that draw. And I'm drawing that January 10th. Now to get your printables. So I want you to go to the bottom of the page and click on that pink box and then enter your secret code. It's in your book. It's in the introduction of the book. You don't have to read very far to see it. And then click enter. And this is going to take you to a page where you have 2 files that you can download. The first is all the chapters, 1 to 10, including the labels. It's 192 beautiful printables. So go ahead and add that to the cart. And I'm using a program called Shopify. So you're going to have to add these to the cart, even though they're free. Go ahead and add those to the cart. And then the bottom file is your just labels, and it is to edit them. So you can edit these labels. So add both of those to your cart if you want, or just the one, whichever you want. And then you're going to have to go to checkout. So once you've gone to the checkout, it's going to ask for your email address, which you'll have to put in because it's going to email you the files, and then it asks for your billing address. You can put garbly-goop in here. I totally don't need to know your billing address. This is just part of a Shopify, and there's really no way of taking that off, so just enter in what you have to, but I promise I will never spam you, and you can make up the stuff. It doesn't have to be your real address or anything like that. And of course it'll say payment, but it's free, so you click like order, and then it will immediately give you links to your files. Now here's the thing. Once you click download now, it's immediately going to start downloading, and it's probably going to save it in your downloads folder on your device. No matter what device you're using, it's usually set up automatically to go to your downloads folder. So you just find it in there, open it up, and you have all your PDFs here. Now there are a lot of them. There are 192 different printables that you can print at home You can print at your local library, you can print at a friend's house, or you can send the ones you like to get printed at a print shop. I don't recommend that you print all 192. I recommend that you go through the book, flag the ones you love and that you want to try, and in your print menu, you can just select those ones you want. So page number 3, page number 16, page number 52, and you don't have to print all of them. And I like to put these in clear plastic sleeves, laminate them, or put them in a picture frame so I can just write on them with a dry erase marker and use them over and over again. So now let's talk about the labels. So of course you get the labels in the first file, but they're not something that you can edit. It's just the ones that are already pre-made. If you want to edit your labels, you can download this second file, which again will be in your downloads folder. It comes with instructions, but you want to open up the one you want and scroll down to the very bottom. A lot of people already have a PDF reader on their device. If you don't though, you're going to want to download Adobe Pdf Reader. I tried to give you guys the fonts. That's illegal. I can't give you the fonts. But if you download this free program, Adobe Acrobat Reader, it's so easy. Again, a lot of devices already have it. It's very, very safe. It's going to give you the ability, just right click on the file, hit open with, select your Adobe Reader, and then you can go ahead and edit these fonts and still retain that beautiful font. Like, it will let you edit it without having to download those illegal fonts I tried to give you guys. That was bad. So Adobe Reader, I'm going to put the link below in the description as well on my website where you can download that for free. Probably my favorite labels are the kids labels. They're so pretty, I have to show you guys. And again, you can edit these really, really simply to have anything you want for your kids. And I made them black and white so they match every decor. And there's labels for your spices, and there's labels for your pantry and your fridge and your linen closet. I cannot wait for you guys to see them and customize them for your home. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that cleared some stuff up, and thank you if you have ordered the book or you plan on ordering the book. The contest for the Roomba is open until January 10th, so there's not that many of you who have actually filled out that form, so your odds are pretty good, my friends. Good luck. I will ship it anywhere in the world. I hope you win. I love my Roomba so much. Pretty life-changing, and yeah, good luck to you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I know you guys are patiently waiting for my new series. I'm going to call it the Clutterbug series. What Clutterbug are you? And it starts next week. And I'm starting with the butterfly, and I'm super excited about it because I'm going to show you how you can organize for your style and with all the other styles all in your family, and how to, you know, compromise and mesh together and all that good stuff. So probably going to be my favorite series that I've ever done, but I'm starting next week because the news is coming. The news contacted me, Channel 4 Detroit News. They're an NBC affiliate news station, and they are coming to my house in 2 days. And I'm slightly panicking. I'm full-blown panicking. I'm panicking because I'm not a super uber organized person. My house is just like, it's pretty plain and ordinary, and it's not like Pinterest gorgeous. It's not like something that you expect to see when you're watching a news show on how to be organized. So I'm feeling super insecure about it, but I'm trying to just like calm myself, and hopefully the people watching are not judgy McJudgers, and they're gonna understand that the whole point of my channel and the thing that I'm pushing is that you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to have a perfect home to be organized. It's about making your life easier, not about making something that you want other people to emulate. Does that make sense? Oh God. Okay. That's in my brain, that's what I'm hoping people think, but I'm also having a slight panic attack about it. So that is why I'm not doing any videos this week, because mostly I'm just going like this. Oh my God, I should probably organize something. I should clean, I should vacuum, oh my God. And then I'm actually doing none of those things because I'm just spinning like a top, like a crazy person in a circle, screaming about all the stuff that has to be done. And I mean, my 3 kids are here, and the dog and the husband, and so what can we really accomplish during this time? The bare basics is what we can accomplish. So let's hope this works out. I'll let you guys know on my Facebook page when it is airing if you live in the Detroit area and you want to watch me making a complete butthole of myself. I mean, I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's hope it's fine. I don't know. Anyways, so that is why I'm starting next week, because I'm panicking this week because it's full on crazy Cass in this house right now. So that's why. But next week is going to be Amazeballs, so come on back for that. I'll see you then.